excited to see everybody at the office today. Well, I know from the first day what it was and now where it is. So it just was a bare shell when we first came here. Now after 3 months of transformation, and it's become a real office. Now we see everybody working from here. It's really exciting. And
So,
I remember the
man
first.
behind
Yeah,
this entire beautiful place.
thanks, Karan.
Yeah.
Thanks, Karan. So a lot of hard work. I remember the first day we came, everyone came and we marked the first room, which was Vinod's room, right? We just made it there. And then now it's after 3 months, we're here, everyone is at the office. It's really exciting today. Just go around the office and see everyone working. Like we work from Suryodaya and other previous offices. Yeah, it's quite a happy moment today. Yeah, thanks.
Hi, as you see, this is our new office. I'm so excited. Was really looking forward to be here, and I'm so happy that all of us are under the single roof. This is my team. This is where I sit, and I'm a lot of vibrancy, a lot of color, a lot of lights, a lot of bright lights coming inside. Yeah.
The new office is a big upgrade for us from Suryodaya, where we were earlier. I hope that the new office brings the best of luck to everyone who works here and for the organization as a whole. And I also hope that it's a stepping stone for us for bigger, greater things to come.
Yes, I feel so good. The ambience is so nice, and I see a lot of happy faces around me. So let's see how it turns out into our productivity. Hopefully, it will definitely increase. Many a times is what I'm expecting, and I'm very happy.
Happy and excited how far we have come into the new office. So when I joined, it was Mahalakshmi Chambers in NG Road. Then we moved to Diamond District, and then we moved to Suryodaya, and then Vaishnavi, and then finally, I think we were like in 2 different offices, which was not really great. But I think moving here, one place, everybody sitting in one place, really exciting, and it's a cool place. So I'm so happy that we are able to collaborate as one team. And also, this is a great facility. I'm hopeful that I'm pretty sure that this is going to be a big stepping stone for us for our future growth. So I'm really looking forward to be in office and make more businesses and make more memories for all of us together.
The new office location is good, as well as but traveling in a metro, it seems to be a so a bit kind of a change for me. And before I was traveling in bike, right? So now I was traveling via metro. Now the entire thing is changed, and office infrastructure and the environment looks good, and so it's pretty awesome over here. Thank you.